If you want to speed up your editing in Photopea, knowing how to merge two layers is one of the most useful basics to learn. It helps keep your layer panel clean, makes your project easier to manage, and is perfect when you're ready to combine two separate elements into one. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to merge two layers in Photopea in just a few simple steps. And if this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick Photopea tips and software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your project in Photopea and look over to the right side of your screen. If you don't already see the Layers panel, go up to the top menu, click Window, and then choose Layers. This will bring the Layers panel back so you can see every layer in your file clearly. Once the panel is visible, find the first layer you want to merge. Click that layer once so it becomes selected. You'll notice it highlights, which means Photopea knows that layer is active. Now here's the important part. Hold down Ctrl on Windows or CMD on Mac, and while holding it, click the second layer you want to merge. When you do this correctly, both layers should be highlighted in blue, showing that they are both selected at the same time. This step is important because Photopea only merges the layers that are actively selected. If you click without holding Ctrl or CMD, you'll simply switch to a different layer instead of selecting both. So take a second to make sure both layers are highlighted before moving on. Once both layers are selected, press Ctrl plus E on Windows or CMD plus E on Mac. This is the keyboard shortcut that tells Photopea to merge the selected layers into one. As soon as you press it, both layers will combine into a single layer instantly. You'll also notice that the new merged layer takes the name of the top selected layer, which is helpful if you want to keep your layer naming organized, and that's it. You've successfully merged two layers in Photopea. It's a fast, simple trick, but it can save you a lot of time while editing. If you want more Photopea tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe, and if this video helped you out, please give it a like. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.